People have gathered for thousands of years. We stand tonight at the resting place of 130 shipwrecks and the setting for the legend of the lost land of Lioness. But tonight, we bring you another tale. Land's End is proud to present Magic in the Skies, a celebration of Cornwall.
I'll tell you one more, but not the lost land of Lioness. You must have heard that one 100 times or more. No, tonight I'll tell you a story about a brave warrior, a fighter of giants, the first of the legendary rulers of Cornwall, Cornelius. Cornelius was a warrior descended from the heroes of the Trojan Wars. He was second in command to Brutus, the legendary founder of Britain. Together, they set out on a quest to find Albion, a mythical land populated by giants, which they wanted to make their home. Cornelius gathered some troops, and together they marched across the land in search of their new kingdom. They reached the magical land of Albion, a place of vast forests, rugged coastlines, and soaring mountains. Brutus renamed the land Britain, and Cornelius settled in the far southwest.
Cornwall?
Yes, indeed, where the caves along the coast were inhabited by the scariest of creatures, giants. and were rather partial to a human or two. They were a great threat to the people, so Cornelius set out to kill these giants. They fought hard until there was just one giant left. Their leader, Gormagog. Gormagog, captain of the giants, towered into the air above the people. It was Gormagog who suggested a battle with Cornelius, and whosoever conquered would be proclaimed the king of this land. The people gathered to watch. They waited. And what followed was the mightiest of battles they had ever seen. Gormagog was strong, but Cornelius was skilled. And with that skill, he slowly wore out the giant until he lost all sense of where he was.
You're correct, Mom.
Tension began to
You're
build.
correct. At the top level.
And with that, Gormagog fell to the ground with the mightiest of crashes. The people were safe. And with the giants gone, that meant one thing. Cornelius was king of this land. He had triumphed, and he went on to call the land after his own name.
He called it Cornelius.
Oh, no, not quite, no. He called it by the name we all know today, Cornwall. You see, Cornwall is much more than just a name we call this land. When you cross the Tamar River, you enter a Celtic land of myth and legend that has captured the imagination of generations. From its beaches, its castles, its farms, its fishing ports, its great engine houses, rugged landscape, and the birthplace of King Arthur. This is Cornwall. Colonel Bisvicken, Cornwall forever.
Yeah, it was opioid.